Hi, we are going to hike Boulder Creek. We are at 37?
Something like that.
Something like that. Yeah, it is. It's cool, and we are gonna take photos and fish. So wish us luck. Come with us. Join us.
Just get on the trail. They had a blasting project going on. I hope it wasn't Julieta's little beaver dam. We're gonna find out.
Hey.
November 2nd today, right? Today's November 2nd, right?
November 2nd, yes.
Yeah. Fall in Wyoming.
Stepping into Boulder Creek felt like entering a snow-dusted dream, a world transformed where every step brought us closer to something magical. We had a wonderful day hike at Boulder Creek, our first hike in the snow. For us, this is the perfect time to go. The scenery was incredible the whole way, and best of all, no mosquitoes. The sound of each step crunching on the snow added a sense of magic to the experience. I had hoped to pay a visit to my dear friend the beaver, but God had other plans for us.
It's incredible.
It's kokanee.
There's always this chill I feel when we enter the wilderness, a signal that we are about to witness something beautiful.
Look at this, Connor.
We're on a hike and we're just gonna take a photo of the creek. It's pretty lovely. Got some snow last week before Halloween. So bracing winter.
The snow covered the creek rocks in a stunning way, transforming the landscape entirely. We were in awe of how beautiful everything looked.
I'm doing long exposure photos. I have my 24 millimeters on and an ND filter, the big stop, and I am photographing beautiful creek. It's really beautiful. It's really incredible. I'm gonna show it to you in just a minute. But yeah, I am photographing it at 25 seconds, and I make 3 photos on a row. So, let's see how it is. Are you ready for 360 degrees of beauty? It's really pretty. Ha! Wow, it is incredible, right?
Pretty cool spot to take a photo. Beautiful day.
Hey, sweetness.
Biscuit.
It is beautiful.
It was lovely.
This time, I could hardly believe I was keeping pace with Connor. He only helped me a couple of times. I kept repeating to myself, I am strong because Christ is in me. He is before me. He is with me. He is holding my hand. I am walking with the Lord. He has good plans for me and my family. I just need to keep going, keep dreaming. The Lord is my shepherd. I shall not want. He makes me lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside still waters. I repeat those words to myself over and over.
Not much behind you.
No.
I don't think so. I mean, not as usual.
You're doing great.
Huh?
You're doing great.
I am. I think so.
The landscape felt like something out of a fairy tale. Little by little, winter is making its presence known.
Doesn't seem to be a pond here anymore. Interesting. Doesn't seem like there's a pond there anymore.
Are you kidding?
Uh-uh.
Is it frozen?
I don't think so, or it's dried up.
We turned back when we realized there was no pond, and therefore no beaver. I hope he and his family are safe and well.
There used to be a beaver here, but I guess he's not anymore.
After the hike, I needed a moment to rest and took a photo of the frozen remnants of the water in the pond. We truly were in our own little fairy tale.
That's for the blooper reel.
Huh?
That's for the blooper reel.
You didn't see nothing. Is it my imagination or the temperatures are dropping?
Ooh. We stop, you know.
What?
It's amazing how much warmer you are when you're on the move.
We enjoyed every step, both on the way up and the way down. Every corner revealed something breathtaking. Thank you, Lord, for this beautiful day. Nice.
There's a deer up there, my dear. You can just see the lake way down there.
Oh, they're still there, right?
Yeah. One under the rock.
Yeah, you see that one.
There's one up there. See that red in the water?
It's snowing!
Good, as soon as we get off the trail.
It is snowing! It's wonderful! I know. I'm loud. We had a lovely hike. It was awesome. I hope that you enjoy it too. I'm taking a photo right now of what is behind me, and Connor is gonna come pick me up on the truck. I hope you enjoy our little hike. Please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel, leave a comment and a like. See you next week.